Om. For understanding the creation, it is very necessary to understand the energies present in it. The element fire is present in Dharma Trikona, that is 1, 5, 9. The earth element in the earth Trikona 2, 6, 10. And the air element in Kama Trikona 3, 7, 11. And the water element in the Moksha Trikona 4, 8, 12. The signs are created by the movement of the sun in the zodiac as per variations of temperatures. Nakshatra padas are basically the four cardinal directions in which the nakshatra can move, that is north, south, east and west. The east represents Dharma, the fire element, and the signs in it are the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius 159, fiery signs. The south represents the Artha, the earth element, and the signs in it are the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn 2, 6, 10, the earthy signs. The west represents the Kama Trikona, the air element, the signs Gemini, Libra, Aquarius 3, 7, 11, the airy signs, and the north represents Moksha, the water element, 4, 8, 12, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, the watery signs. Actually, the nakshatras don't move. It's the energy of the nakshatra that moves in a particular direction. The first pada of a nakshatra is fire, that is dharma or duty, and represents knowledge to live under rules and regulations. Second pada of a nakshatra is earth, that is artha, wealth, means the resources required for getting knowledge, that is giving, taking and delivering. The third pada of a nakshatra is air, that is kama, desires, that is actions or works undertaken for the resources. It is to do things in a most beautiful and best way. Fourth pada of a nakshatra is water, that is moksha, liberation, that is the emotions one can have for creation. The tattva or elements of the nakshatras goes to the signs. So each pada is connected to a specific element, quality and navansha sign. For instance, if we consider Aries sign, it has two complete nakshatras, Ashwani and Bharani, and one pada of Kritika nakshatra. The first four padas of Ashwani are between 0 degree to 13 degree 20 minutes, with first pada from 0 degree to 3 degree 20 minutes of fire element, second pada from 3 degree 20 minutes to 6 degree 40 minutes of earth element, third pada from 6 degree 40 minutes to 10 degree of air element, and the fourth pada from 10 degree to 13 degree 20 minutes of water element. The next nakshatra Bharani is from 13 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes, with first pada from 13 degree 20 minutes to 16 degree 40 minutes of fire, second pada from 16 degree 40 minutes to 20 degree of earth, third pada from 20 degree to 23 degree 20 minutes of air, and fourth pada from 23 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes of water element. The next nakshatra is of Kritika. First pada, that is 26 degree 40 minutes to 30 degree. It is of fire and it completes the Aries sign with 9 padas. So in Aries sign there are 3 padas of fire element, 2 padas of earth element, 2 padas of air element and 2 padas of water element, making a total of 9 padas, and the dominant element is fire being present in 3 padas. Hence Aries becomes a fiery sign due to dominance of the fire element in it. So by repeating the same process for other signs, we can decode the dominant element of all the signs to find out the nature of other signs. So the pada of a nakshatra influences us through the element present in it, fire, earth, water or air, which shapes our behavior and nature as per the Janam nakshatra pada in which we are born. The planets placed in different nakshatra padas express their energy differently and affects the life events related to the houses of which that planet is lord and the houses in which it is placed, and the planet who is the nakshatra lord also affect its lordships and placements through the significations of the house as well as significations of the planet in accordance with the element air, water, fire and earth dominant in the nakshatra. The fourth pada of the first nakshatra Ashwani falls under the influence of Ketu, Venus, Sun and Moon. The 4 padas of the second nakshatra Bharni comes under the influence of Mars, Rahu, Jupiter and Saturn. The first pada of Kritika comes under the influence of Mercury. This sequence of the 9 planets Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter and Saturn continues till the last pada of Revati Nakshatra. The qualities and traits of a native changes with the change of nakshatra padas. For example, a native born in the first pada of Ashwini has strong willpower and has a fearless personality due to fire element, while one born in the second pada is manipulative and sharp due to earth element. One born in third pada is sensual and creative, and one born in the fourth pada is emotional and spiritual. The nakshatra padas of Jupiter and Venus are good for journal growth and prosperity. The fourth pada of the nakshatra is considered good for spiritual growth, while the second padas are considered good for wealth and career, and the third pada are considered good for creative activities and arts, and first pada for strength, willpower and personality. The second pada of Dhanishta nakshatra is best for career and accumulation of wealth. The first pada of Pushya nakshatra is ideal for spiritual guidance and leadership roles. The fourth pada of Ashwini nakshatra is excellent for healing, professions and career pursuits. We'll share more in upcoming creation videos. Hari Om Tat Sat.